Hello you wonderful, you're welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how you can generate your NIN and your BVN on this free website that I'm about to show to you. I will say you stick and watch the video to the end, because that is the end that you're going to download it and you'll be able to have the original version copy on the mobile phone. That will cost you nothing, just a little action that I will share with you right now. If today is the first time, I'm glad to and happy to welcome you to my channel. I'm Tibra Airpace, and on this channel I talked about how you can edit a video, how you can edit a thumbnail, your banner on your mobile phone. If you want to create a YouTube channel, you can go ahead and watch a relevant most of my video where I talk about how you can create a YouTube channel and how you can gain your 1000 subscribers. As a new YouTuber, feel free to subscribe to this channel. It means a lot to me. Do let us give the video a thumbs up, because that is what will keep me more moving on this channel. So right now, today I'm going to show you and explain how you can get your NIN, your BVN on your mobile phone. We are in this scenario that we are so worried, very stressed, thinking on how we can generate our NIN and our BVN. Like me now, I did my own and I misplaced it, and I was like, since then I don't know how to generate it. There is no time, even though there is money, before you can go ahead to the local office where they will generate it out and you have it back. There is no time. It's going to cost you a lot of time, a lot of stress. So now I'm telling you that on this video it's possible. Just this little few steps that I will show to you, and you have it on your mobile phone, stress-free. Now, the only thing that you just have to do is to go ahead and visit this website. At first time when I come across this video, I was like, is this still relevant? You know, there are some information that it will be relevant like 6 months ago or 1 year ago. After then, we go ahead and try it again, it may not be possible. Then I said, okay, just let me give it a try. If you cannot buy the lie, you can't get the truth. I was like, okay, let me give it a try. And then I went ahead and visited this website, and lo and behold, it generates my NIN. And my picture back then was very funny, and I was very happy, very excited that, oh my God, this is what has been giving me a lot of worry, a lot of concern. Like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, I misplaced it. Most especially, this video is for those that they were not in the local location, in the regional location, like those that they have traveled like in diaspora. Like me now, my local location now is Tripoli, and most of us are in this country. We really need all these things to verify our identity and also to fill some very crucial form, but we don't have it. We have misplaced it, or it gets stolen along the way. I'm telling you that it's easy. Just stick and watch this video to the end and follow the step that I'm about to show to you. The only thing you can just do for me right now is to subscribe to this channel. It costs you nothing, and do well to give the video a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Yes, and drop in your comment section if there's anything left that you want me to also explain to you along the way. Thank you for doing that. Now, the only thing you just have to do is to go ahead and visit your Chrome apps on your mobile phone, your Google Chrome version. Go ahead and write in checkmynin/bvn.com.ng. You can see it on my screen. I read it there. Checkmynin/bvn.com.ng, and it will take you down onto this website. You go ahead and register with your email. When you register, add your real name, your original name, your name, and then add your phone number, add your password that you'll be able to remember. You can also write it down, not for you to forget. And when you do that, it will take you onto the surface like this. These are the surface look. The next thing is for you can go ahead and scroll down, read it for you to understand. You have to add a little token. If you have a mobile bank on your phone, it's easy for you to do. Like me now, I have my mobile bank on my phone. Now, if you're not in Nigeria, I'm doing this video for you most especially. You can have your mobile bank on your phone if you are not yet done that. You know, because there are a lot of people that they were like, how can I have it? Now that my NIN has lost, my BVN, you have to know it. If you do not know it, at least it will be in Nigeria where you can call your relatives to send it to you on your WhatsApp. Like me now, I know my NIN series number and my BVN series number. The only thing I don't have is the passport, the ID card, I did not have it, I'm misplaced, but I can use it when they ask me to do a verification, facial verification. It will show that yes, I'm the one that really owns it. Now you can have your bank mobile on your phone. Now I have my OPay and I have my PAMPay. So another bank that I really need to have right now, they're asking of this NIN passport, the ID card, which I'm now able to have it now, and I have a lot of apps that I can be able to run with this little thing that I will show to you right now. And you too also, you are free to do that, and you have your NIN passport and you have your BVN also. Then when you are inside the app, transfer a little token, you are going to see it. It depends on your choice. There is pro version and there is ordinary passport, so it depends on your choice. You pay it. After them, it will ask you to add your name and your series of the NIN number, and yes, just only that. When you add it and then you press generate, when you wait for it to generate, after you have paid the amount of money there, just a little token. When after you have paid, then you wait a little second, voila. You can see my own. I was surprised. I was like, when I first stumbled across the video, I was like, is this true? Is this still relevant? I just said, let me give it a try. And it happened. Lo and behold, I was very happy. Then I made the decision that I'm going to do the video, because I know that a lot of us were out there that was thinking and searching for how we can have this thing, how we can do this on our mobile phone. So right now, when you follow this step, this little few steps that I showed to you, you add your NI, you can see my own, and I make some little amendment because my picture back there was very funny. That was 10 years ago. And then I make a little touch up on it, and this is how it looks now. You can see the different version. I have the original copy which I download, and I also have the one that I make a little settings on it. So just that, a little token that even though you want to go and visit the office, they will ask a lot of money. On this one, it was like, is this really? I was very happy. Just 2 days ago, I have my NIN copy and I have my BVN copy on my mobile phone, and I can be able to do it for anybody behind me, my neighbor who trusts me that yes, they also want to do it, but they don't have the time to. I help you to do it. Just that you just have to pay the little token, and that's it. And you have it, and you can even download and make a lot of copy as much as you like. That will cost you nothing much. Nothing much, at all. So if today is the first time coming onto my channel, I'm glad to welcome you. On this channel, you can learn a lot of. Go ahead and watch most of my video. You want to create your YouTube channel, you can also go and watch a lot of my video that explain how you can operate and also create a YouTube channel on your mobile phone with some kind of lot of free tools, free app that you can use, and you also have your own YouTube channel. See you on my next video. Bye.